We are glad to welcome you on the Hard Reset YouTube channel, and today I'll show how you can change the action once the drone is lost for this DJI Mini 3 Pro. So first you will need to launch the DJI Fly app either on your remote controller or on your phone. Then go into Go Fly interface, here open settings. Then go into the safety section, scroll all the way down, then go into advanced safety settings, and here you can select what will be done once the drone will lose the signal. You can either make it so that it will return to your home point, RTH, just descend to the ground, or hover until it will receive further commands if the signal reappears, or it will hover until it will just forcefully descend. I recommend that you just set this option to RTH, so whenever the signal is lost you can be 100% sure that the drone will simply return to its home point. And the home point is something that you know where the home point is, because it's the point you've launched the drone from, unless you change it. But anyway, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.